Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City, right outside the Showboat. They're working very hard on this water park. Looks like they're building some stairs now. They got some of the water slides in, they got the ventilation system going in. Lots going on here at the Showboat. Maybe I'll step inside and show you what's going on there too, so let's go check it out.
In your way, cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay.
As we walk along the side here, we can see that a lot of the work is finished. The whole foundation looks like it's completed, and that took a lot of time because all the plumbing and stuff is underneath that cement. So that took a long time to do. As far as the entire structure, I don't know how large this park's gonna be when it's completed, but it looks like this might be it. I'm not sure, but this looks like it might be it because they're already installing the glass panels down at the other end, which you'll see, as well as the water slides. They're installing the ventilation system on the movable roof, and it looks like they're coming along very quickly. They have a goal of Memorial Day this year. I don't know if they're going to make that goal, but I don't see them not opening sometime this coming summer.
Tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here.
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it.
The Showboat reminds me sort of the mythic phoenix bird that rises from the ashes. This is where it all started, by the way, this arcade, just about, I guess, 2 years ago, right in the throes of the COVID pandemic. Then they got that Raceway in, which we'll see shortly, and now they're working on the water park outside. It's going to be an outdoor water park, and they're also sinking approximately $50 million, from what I understand, into the property to upgrade the rooms and the lobby, the public areas of the Showboat. 50 million might not sound like a lot compared to what other hotels and casinos are doing around here, but remember, they don't have a casino and they don't have any super luxurious restaurants that have to be upgraded or installed here. So they're just $50 million can do a lot here in the Showboat. And I think once those renovations are done and the water park's in and everything else is going, I think at that point maybe they should start looking at restaurants and shops and things like that. Of course, this being a family property, the restaurants shouldn't be really too high-end. Perhaps some casual national brands like Olive Garden or Applebee's or something like that. And what the boardwalk desperately needs is a drugstore like a CVS or Walgreens. That would be fantastic if they can get one in the Showboat here. I know there's some drugstores off the boardwalk, but a lot of these people who were here for a day or two never leave the boardwalk, so I think a drugstore would be a nice addition.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. wish this was real. I could really go for a hot dog right about now. Hey! Go to the front desk and get a room. This is supposed to be a family joint here. This is a cool climbing wall. It's got different kinds of textures, I guess you would call it, on every side.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got.
So what are you guys thinking? Next time you're in town, you gonna visit the Showboat? Or what about that water park, the Island Water Park? Do you think that's gonna be open come this summer? Leave a comment below. Hey everybody, check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New York swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New York store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You